Hello! And welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making dragon chicken. That is savory, sweet, sour, and spicy. For our ingredients, we're going to marinate with 1 egg, soy sauce, ginger, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and chicken thighs. Here we're going to go ahead and start marinating our chicken. We're going to add our egg, our paprika, ginger powder, onion powder, soy sauce, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. And we're just going to coat our chicken with this marinade. And we're going to refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Or you can refrigerate it overnight. And then once it is finished marinating for 30 minutes, we're going to take it out. And we're going to bring it to room temperature for about 30 minutes before breading. Now we're moving on to breading our chicken. In a separate large freezer bag, you want to combine flour, cornstarch, and your chili powder. And we're just going to mix all that together. Now you want to remove your chicken from the marinade. We're going to add our chicken to our flour mixture. We're going to shake the chicken until it is well coated. Here we're coating our chicken, and I'm just going to take it out of the flour, and I'm going to lay it across some parchment paper. And then we're going to continue this until all our chicken is done. Here's our chicken in a large skillet. You want to heat up a 1/4 cup of oil over medium-high heat. Here we're going to start to prepare to cook our chicken. Working in 2 to 3 batches, shake off excess breading for your chicken and then add it to the sizzling oil in a single layer. We're going to cook for about 4 minutes or until cooked through, flipping halfway. You want to remove your chicken to a paper towel lined plate. And we're going to continue to cook our chicken until it is completely done. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to toast our cashews in a dry, large cast iron skillet over medium heat until toasted and spot. We're going to stir, mix it a few times, and then we're going to remove our cashews from our skillet. Here are the ingredients for our sauce and our stir fry. For our stir fry, we have our cashews, onion, bell pepper, ginger, and garlic cloves. And then for our sauce, we have soy sauce, ketchup, honey, oyster sauce, Asian chili sauce, and Chinese black vinegar. If you don't have black vinegar, you could use balsamic vinegar and mix it with a little bit of rice vinegar. In our skillet, we're going to drizzle some oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, we're going to add our onions. And we're going to add our bell pepper. We're going to stir fry for about 2 minutes. We're going to add in our sliced garlic. And then we're going to add in our ginger paste. And we're going to stir fry that for about 30 seconds. Now I'm adding my ketchup, my soy sauce, my honey, black vinegar. I added in some toasted sesame oil, our chili sauce, and here I'm adding in my oyster sauce. And here I'm adding in my cornstarch. And I'm just going to mix everything together. And we're just going to stir our sauce and our vegetables together until our sauce becomes a little thick. And once our sauce has thickened, we're going to add back our chicken. And we're just going to coat our chicken with our sauce. And here I'm adding in my cashews. And we're going to stir that to coat. And our dragon chicken is complete. This was so delicious. I love trying new recipes. This recipe was very delicious. You taste the sweet, the savory. It's something different. If you want to try this recipe, just comment and I'll leave the recipe down below. But I love to try new things. This is like an Indo Chinese dish and it was very delicious. So today we made dragon chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.